And remember, your leg is a conversation with the horse. It's never just one boring, consistent pressure. Yeah? It's a voice. Think of a school teacher you've had that talks in the most soft, nice voice, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and you're thinking, when is lunch coming? Oh my gosh. And that teacher just talks like this the entire time, and pretty soon you're falling asleep. Yeah? Your leg is a conversation. Good. The pressure points of how you use your leg has the horse paying attention to your leg. If you whisper with your leg, it's a nice little, hello, I'm here. If you tell with your leg, there should be a bigger answer. Good. Good. The amount of pressure is the loudness of your voice with your leg. Same with contact. This looks really nice.